The French inventor Édouard-Léon Scott de Martinville made the first ever sound recording around 1853 with his phonautograph. However, this is a very poor recording of Adolfo Giacomelli playing a few notes on the guitar. Due to its poor quality, this recording from 1860, in which Scott de Martinville sings Au clair de la lune, is considered the first recognizable audio recording. "17 years later, in 1877, the American inventor Thomas Edison made his first sound recording with his invention, the phonograph. Edison recited the poem, Mary Had a Little Lamb. Unfortunately, the sound recording heard here is not the original from 1877. This recording from 1927 was made by Edison to commemorate the phonograph's 50th anniversary.
The first words I spoke in the original phonograph. A little piece of practical poetry. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Did you find this interesting? If so, like and subscribe.